Good evening, everyone. I am Filda, a student from UPM. Nowadays, people are becoming more addicted to social media as they are able to get all of the information that they want and share whatever are on their mind. Some people will find information about healthcare just through YouTube, Blogspot, Wikipedia, and others because they thought that it is unnecessary for them to ask a doctor about simple questions, just like ways to maintain a proper diet, as they can search it on their own in media social. Unfortunately, they do not know whether the facts is reliable or not because the person who wrote them is not from a highly educated person in the field of health. Therefore, lots of doctors around the world already took the initiative to communicate with public about healthcare through the social media. I believe that this strategy is a more effective way to educate people about healthcare. So I'm going to divide this presentation into three main sections. Firstly, communicate through social media on healthcare can increase public awareness of current issues. This method gives awareness to the community about the disease and its widespread prevention. For example, COVID 19 is a new disease and is very well known for being able to spread quickly all over the country. Therefore, to prevent the disease from spreading more among the public, the World Health Organization made a statement that the population can reduce the risk of getting the infection by wearing masks and social distance. In addition, there will be many patients sharing their healthcare experience through social media because they want to help each other. Therefore, more often people use social media to find out about health problems, they will become more sensitive to their healthcare. Secondly, people also can always stay up to date about health issues. As we know, media social can serve as a portal of communication between government, health institution, and people. In fact, they can access for accurate information and removing harmful content. For instance, some people do not trust vaccine as they heard statements from others that the vaccine is just like poison to our health. However, in the portal of Health Ministry already stated that vaccine can help our immune system to build new antibody and fight the virus in our body. In other words, public can search lots of new information in reliable sources at social media. Lastly, how communication through social media can, can also support self-treatment for certain patients. The information they found in social media will affect the way they cope with chronic conditions such as shortness of breath, sprains, and others. At least, this method can help them to decrease the risk of injury before getting a well treatment in hospital. This kind of communication also can improve psychological well-being as we can learn about the ways to release our tensions, best exercise for our body, and also the symptoms of any disease. So, this strategy of health communication can teach us to take care of ourselves anytime and anywhere. So, let's summarize what we have seen so far. First, we look at why health communication through social media can increase public awareness of health lifestyle. Then, we discuss the best sources that can provide up-to-date information and how these strategies support patient self-care. So Next time, if you feel sick and don't have time to consult a doctor, try to find a solution on social media to reduce the pain. Yet, you should remember that if your injury is really severe, you must see a doctor for further treatment.